Good morning to all. This is for class 5th MSc. Class 5th. In previous video I had explained chapter number 7 till page number 31, second paragraph. Now in this video I am going to give you further explanation of the chapter. So till now we had learned that how Mr. P. Vijayan became an IPS officer being belonging to a poor family. He struggled a lot and he studied by his own. Then after completing his studies, he attempted the competitive examination. Once, twice he had failed, but third time he qualified the examination. So he said that hard work is the key to success. We should never give up. We should keep on working hard. Now another example is Glenn Cunningham. He also struggled hard in his life, and after lot of struggles he became a successful personality. So let us read about him. Glenn Cunningham was born in Atlanta, Kansas in 1909, United States. When he was 8 years old, he was born in an accident. Flesh of both the legs was burned up. Doctor suggested amputation his leg, but Glenn and his parents did not agree. So Glenn Cunningham, he was born in Atlanta, Kansas in 1909. When he was 8 years old, he burned his leg in an accident. And the leg was burned in such a way that the flesh of the leg was burned out. Then doctor suggested that you have to cut this leg. But Glenn and his parents did not agree on that. When he was cured, he came back home but was bedridden. His mother used to massage his affected legs. Sometimes she used to take him out on a wheelchair for fresh air. One day, deliberately, he slipped down the chair and moved towards the fencing, dragging his leg through the grass. So what happened? Now, when he cured a bit, his mother used to do massage on that affected leg. And sometimes she used to take him out on a wheelchair just to take the fresh air. So one day what happened? One day his chair slipped and he fell down near the fence where grasses was there. So when he reached the fencing, he lifted himself up with the help of the fencing. Slowly he started walking. Though painful and bleeding, he made it his habit. Gradually his leg became strong. He started running. With his sheer determination, he used to run on the way to the school and back. When Glenn was 25 years old, he amazed everyone by running a mile in 4 minutes and 8 seconds in the New York. He won Olympic medal for United States in 1932 and 1936. So when he fell there, with the help of fencing, he got up. Then he started walking slowly. Though it was very painful for him and bleeding was coming from his leg, but he made it as his habit. So slowly his leg also started becoming strong. Now he started running. And with his full determination, he used to run on the way to the school, and then he used to come back to home by running. When Glenn was 25 years old, he amazed everyone. He ran a mile in just 4 minutes and 8 seconds. By this record, everyone was amazed. Then later on, he won the Olympic medal for United States in the year 1932 and 1936. Next is Gail Devers and Wilma Rudolph are also people who fought with their impediment in legs and finally succeeded in life. So similar personalities are Gail Devers and Wilma Rudolph. They also suffered with their leg, but after their hard work, after their struggling, they become successful in their life. The next is Kanmani is a girl who hails from Kerala, born without hand, but she fought against fate and started writing and doing work with her legs. Now she draw picture with her feeble legs, paints. So another person is Kanmani. She was a girl from Kerala. She born without hands, but she fought against her fate and she started doing the work with her legs only. She used to draw paints with her legs and play keyboard. She used to play keyboard also with her legs only. Her leg writing, not handwriting, only leg writing, because she used to write with her legs only. So her leg writing is very beautiful. Can you imagine the number of books she had read? My Experiments with Truth, Wings of Fire, Diary of Anne Frank, Macbeth, and many more. So all these are the name of the books which she read. Don't these true life events inspire you? What led the above mentioned stars to success? Is it wealth, health, or family atmosphere? So with these people, we should get inspired. Why? What is the reason that they get success in their life? Is it their wealth, health, or their family atmosphere? No, but only hard work, only struggle. With lot of struggle and lot of hard work, they were able to achieve success in their life. They do not make any excuse that we don't have legs, or we have hurt in our legs, or we are poor, we cannot do the things properly. They do not make any excuse, but instead of that, they work hard, they struggle a lot with their lives, and finally they got success in their life. So the moral of the chapter is this: one should always struggle, one should always work hard. If one is failing once, twice, then it is not that he or she should give up. No, but he or she should keep working harder and harder. Then one day he or she will achieve the success surely. So this is the moral. Now this further key to success I will explain you in my next video. Thank you.